You're very welcome to section 8 of this course. Up to now, you've done market research, you've created your own website, you've put email capture forms in your website, you've done copywriting, but there's one thing that's missing, and that is visitors. And that's why in this section of the course, we are going to focus on search engine optimization. Very simply, search engine optimization is a way to get visitors from these search engines like Google to your website. The way that you are going to achieve that is by using this SEO checklist that I put together for you. It's got 26 points on it. And essentially in this section of the course, the outcome for you, what you will have achieved by the end of this section of the course, is really completing each of the 26 points on this checklist. And essentially that will help you get targeted traffic from the search engines to come to your website. I want you to get your hands on this checklist right now. So I've linked it up in the resources section of this lecture. Go ahead now, get that, bookmark that, because we're going to be returning to this again and again. And it's got a recap of everything that I'm explaining for you in these lectures. It's got a link to all of the tools that I mention. And not only that, am I just giving you this, I'm actually going to be giving you an example on performing all of these steps for my own website here, so that you can really see a tangible real life example of someone implementing all of these steps, and the reasons behind doing that, the importance. I think that's going to give you a fantastic tangible example to follow. So I really look forward to getting stuck into all of this with you. You can see that the checklist is broken up to a number of different sections. There's technical stuff, making sure that people can access your website, keyword research, finding out what your customers are searching for online, creating perfectly optimized SEO content, and then building authority around that content so you can appear at the top of these search results. Now don't worry, I'm going to explain SEO in a lot more detail in the next lecture. So for now, just make sure you've got this checklist, you've bookmarked it, and then the next lecture, I'll see you there for an overview of SEO.